Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to a brand new video. So hope you guys are having amazing days, guys. Back again with a tech video for you guys. So guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to fix your earbuds which are not charging anymore. So this video is going to cover both of the topics, whether your case is not charging or the earbuds itself are not charging. But before getting into the video, the first thing I want to talk about is these earbuds. So these are basically the clone of the AirPods Pro. I found them pretty cheap and they've been working pretty nicely. I will put a link in the description if you want to watch the video of these earbuds. So the reason why this problem occurs is because there's no kind of cover on the charging port, and the charging port is quite open. So when we put these earbuds or earpods in the pocket in our bag, they can pretty easily collect a lot of dust and some other particles which go inside the charging port, due to which your cable isn't going to be able to make a really strong connection, due to which these AirPods or these earbuds won't charge. So the thing I would recommend you is to use some kind of insulator material, plastic or a wooden toothpick, and try to go from one side and move everything towards the left side and then take it out. So you can use a flashlight of the smartphone in order to properly zoom inside the charging port and see whether how dirty it really is. So whenever you are going to clean the charging port, the connection or the charging cable is going to be way better, and it's going to grip the earbuds better, and you are going to see that the charging cable is going inside the port, not like before where it wouldn't go inside properly. So I think you should try to clean your earbuds and the charging port, all of this stuff, every 1 month or so, because they can get dirty pretty quickly. The second case I want to talk about is the earbuds are not charging anymore. The reason this would occur is because these earbuds or AirPods use terminals which are placed in the end of the case in order to charge them. So I think there are two things which could happen. The first being the rust could form pretty easily. So for rust, you have to use a metal in order to clean the rust from the pins inside the earbuds case. So I won't recommend you to touch both of the pins at the same time with the metal kind of object. So you want to clean one pin at a time and then try to move another one. Another thing you want to keep track of is to make sure that the place where the earbuds and the charging case meets for charging is nice and clean. Most of the time your earbuds, the two terminals on your earbuds can also get dirty, or there could be rust or any other thing formed. So just make sure to clean it really nicely. And since you are doing the cleaning process, it's a good idea to clean the earbuds also properly and get rid of all of the earwax which could get inside it, because that too is going to compromise the sound quality of the earbuds. So anyways, I think that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions or any inquiries, then let me know in the comment section. So if you like the video, make sure to give it a like, and if you're new, consider subscribing, become a part of this channel. And thanks for watching, and goodbye.